Monarchs, apologize in advance for being absent, but I'm ready for the Christmas spirit to be on nails. If you want to see how I did these, continue on watching. Using my Gelix nail kit I got on Amazon for $10. Yes, it comes with nail glue, a UV lamp, nail tips, and as well as a nail tip cutter. Using my electric nail filer to file down the nail tips. Now using a regular nail filer to file down my nails. Make sure you dust off all that residue from filing down. I did end up using my cuticle pusher tool to remove that extra cuticle on that area. Making sure that my UV lamp is plugged in, we grabbed the nail glue. Now to start off with the nail tip application. I like to make sure that there's also no dust in the nail tips as well. Grabbing the nail glue and applying a good amount onto nail tip. Watch as how I do this application of nail glue onto tip. To apply onto nail, start off by placing onto cuticle area, kind of slanted, and pushing all the way down so you don't create any air bubbles. Now move your finger under the UV lamp to cure. First nail done, continue on doing the same thing with the rest of the nails. Here are the nail tips applied onto my natural nails. Now using my nail tip cutter that the kit also came with to cut them down to my desired length. I made sure the nails were straight and filed a bit on the sides to not make them too squared, grabbing my buffer to buff out the shine on the nails to prepare them for nail polish. Make sure to dust everything that has dust. The nail polish I will be using are Sally Hansen Extreme Wear in the color Camelot and LA Color in the color Hot Blooded. Using Hot Blooded onto my thumb, pointer, and pinky finger. Using Camelot onto my middle and ring finger. I will be doing a couple of coats off camera of nail polish to make the base color pop. Moving on to design, I put black nail polish on a dish and using my thin brush to create a curvy line as to reflect off the string of lights. Applying the lights using my dotting tool. For the actual lights, I'm using acrylic paint in the colors red, yellow, green, and blue. As well with the dotting tool, applying a single dot on each color light as the holder. Using top coat to seal the design and placing under UV lamp to cure, doing the same thing to the rest of my nails. After all that, the only thing missing is the cuticle oil. Applying that onto the cuticle area and smoothing it out. Now we got the finished set. Let me know what y'all think of these. Can't believe the season spirits are here. Thank y'all so much for watching. It means the world to me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And try these nails at home and see how easy or maybe difficult it might be. I'll see you guys next week with another Christmas nail set. Bye!